Welcome to FME's Pre Order and Backorder Extension features video. So the extension lets you enable pre-order for upcoming and out-of-stock products, compatible with simple, variable, grouped, and bundle products. Replace Add to Cart with custom pre-order or backorder button. Show availability date and countdown timer. Easily filter pre-orders and backorders from orders grid. First, let us show you how a pre-orderable product looks in the demo link we have provided on our site. In listing pages, the pre-order product has been displayed and Add to Cart button is replaced with Pre-order. Let's visit the product page. Here you can see the countdown timer, which can be customized from the back-end configurations, availability date of the product, and a message which can also be customized from the back end. Finally, let's show some of the bonus features of the extension when adding a pre-orderable product. Just go to the product sheet of any pre-orderable product, and you will find pre-order settings as shown here. Here, other than the standard pre-order configurations, you can also set up canceling pre-order settings and the option to discount or increase the price of a product as fixed or percentage. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment here or find the product page link in the description to learn more about the product.